If anyone of you get a heart attack now, God forbid, if you don't see a doctor, there's a good chance you will survive. In modern science, this is a very important concept because we know every human cell loves another human cell. I'll give you an example. If anyone of you get a heart attack now, God forbid, if you don't see a doctor, there's a good chance you will survive. If you don't, you are dead even before you know you have a heart attack. 60% of people get a heart attack, die in their sleep instantaneously and without knowing that they had a heart attack. If you get a heart attack and don't see a doctor, 4 things happen in the body. A few cells in the heart die. When they die, the neighboring cells say, oh my God, my friend has died. What do I do? Supposing your neighbor has died, you don't do anything because you don't want to get involved in the police case. Because all police officers are not like Karthik and Sam. But these cells don't worry about police case. They immediately jump and go and occupy the place where the dead cells have been there in the past. It is called cell slipping. See, 2 processes. Cell death, cell slipping. Now when the cells have slipped out, the cells have mothers called fibroblasts. They hold them. Now the mother says, oh, my son has slipped out. What do I do? So he says, okay, my son must have gone to help somebody. So he requests strength. So it produces more fiber. So fibroblastic proliferation occurs. So beautiful. See, cell death, cell slipping, fibroblastic proliferation. So they get a good scar, very good scar. Right? So you have a heart attack, you have a scar, you are recovered. It's called remodeling of the heart. Now let us say the cells in the periphery of the heart, which could not slip there, they feel bad. What have I done? I should also help. They become stronger. They say, let the whole heart become stronger. It's called hypertrophy. So 4 things happen to remodel the heart. Cell death, cell slipping, fibroblastic proliferation and hypertrophy. So you got a very strong heart. Supposing you come to me, what do? As soon as I see you, I give you an ACE inhibitor and a beta blocker. So I knock off the system which helps this normal formation. Same thing happens in life. Wellness is, do you know what is wellness? Enthusiasm to work. Remember that. Enthusiasm to work and enthusiasm to be compassionate. It's not absence of disease because as I was telling my friend a little while ago, there isn't anything called absence of disease. All of us have a disease every day. If I can check it. If I can get a total body scanner now and go under that, I might be having several nomenclatures for me. But they don't bother me as long as they don't worry me. So as my predecessor was saying, everything is in the mind. Where is the mind? Never mind. What is matter? No matter. The mind is in every human cell at its subatomic level. So if your cell becomes happy, your mind becomes happy. When you know how to breathe properly, you take a deep and slow breathing, you oxygenate your blood better, and your cell gets better oxygen, cell becomes happy, your mind becomes happy, you become tranquil.